HP Printer Ink is full but not printing. Solutions, effective troubleshooting steps. Solution 1. Check printer status. Ensure the printer is turned on and connected to your computer or network. Check for any error messages or blinking lights on the printer. Solution 2. Perform a hard reset. Turn off the printer and unplug it from the power source. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. Try printing a test page. Solution 3. Verify cartridge installation. Open the printer cover and ensure all ink cartridges are correctly installed. Remove and reinsert each cartridge to ensure proper seating. Solution 4. Clean print heads. Access the printer's maintenance menu and select Clean Print Heads. Follow the on-screen instructions to perform the cleaning process. Print a test page to check if the issue is resolved. Solution 5. Align print heads. Go to the printer's maintenance menu and choose Align Print Heads. Follow the alignment procedure as instructed on the screen. Print a test page to ensure proper alignment. Solution 6. Update printer drivers. Visit the HP support website and download the latest printer drivers. Install the updated drivers on your computer. Restart your computer and try printing again. Solution 7. Check print queue. Open the print queue on your computer and ensure there are no stuck print jobs. Clear the queue if necessary and try printing a new document. Solution 8. Use HP Print and Scan Doctor Download and install the HP Print and Scan Doctor tool from the HP website. Run the tool to diagnose and fix common printing problems. Follow the recommendations provided by the tool. Solution 9. Perform a printer firmware update. Check the HP website for any available firmware updates for your printer model. Download and install the firmware update. Restart the printer and try printing again. About our services. Our toll-free numbers 1-855-233-5515. Connect you with genuine service providers. Dial the number, ask your questions, and trust the service before making any payments. 24/7. Availability. Our support lines are available around the clock to assist you with any issues.